We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for creating photo editing prompts. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to think about what kind of photo editing you need help with. Maybe you're looking to enhance a landscape photo, or perhaps you want to apply a specific filter effect. You can start by typing a prompt in the ChatGPT chat box. For example, you might say, suggest some creative ideas to edit a sunset photo to make the colors pop. ChatGPT will generate a list of suggestions you can try out. You can get more specific by mentioning any editing software you're using, like Photoshop or Lightroom, and ask for step-by-step instructions tailored to that program. If the first response isn't exactly what you wanted, you can refine your prompt by adding more details or asking for alternative suggestions. Don't hesitate to iterate on your requests to get the most useful advice. If you're new to photo editing terms, you can ask ChatGPT to explain them. For instance, you might ask, what does saturation mean in photo editing? This way, you get not only the steps but also an understanding of the concepts involved. Remember, the more detailed your prompt, the better the guidance ChatGPT can provide. And if you hit a snag, you can always ask follow-up questions to clarify. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.